Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul binti Wan Setapa, metric number 1191221. Today I would like to brief about my research project. Firstly, research title is about psychology of Qur'an, reflection on Quranic verse in cure mental health. Next, we move to research gap. After analyzed literature study, it is true that the theme of psychology has been taken up in a variety of ways within the field of Quran and Hadith. This includes about mental health treatment in Quran. Many recent studies show that finding in positive term in the treatment of Quranic psychotherapy. Numerous studies, for example, from Nurul Aulia Kamila 2021, Aulet H. House 2020 and Ala Abdul Razak 2020 have shown that effectiveness of Quran in terms of effect Quran tadabbur therapy, listening Quran and Quran recitation in treat mental health problem. It is now clear that overall argument of the field in relation focus on effectiveness Quran in mental health treatment. But question about what kind of surah or Quranic verse that are very effective drugs against various diseases, especially mental illness, remain relatively unanswered. Now let's move to statement of problem. It is essential to know solution to manage and control emotional stress such as depression, anxiety, and extreme stress. Most parties involved with mental disorder are not able to find the right solution to their problem. Thus, according to article Rogers Baker 2019, failure to deal with the resolution of depression develop into significant disorder of emotional and mental illness among individuals. Consequently, the consequence of emotional disturbance also push the individual to choose a way out on their own. Some of them also tend to get trapped in situations that may end their life. For instance, Isu Thomas Schaeffer had committed suicide because to worry about how to deal with economic crisis following impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Lastly, research objective and research question. Firstly, this research intends to define an appropriate solution for managing mental health. Second, to recognize the Surah Quran that can calm the restless soul and heart. Third, to identify the kind of Quranic verse used as method of spiritual mental treatment. Next, question in this study. First, what's an appropriate solution for managing mental health? Second, what are the Surah Quran that can calm the restless soul and heart? Third, what kind of Quranic verse are used as method of spiritual mental treatment? That's all from me. Thank you.